The Skoda Fabia III, produced from 2014 to 2021, features steering wheel buttons and menu controls designed for driver convenience and safety. These controls manage essential functions like audio, phone calls, cruise control, and navigation, all while minimizing driver distraction. This video will guide you through using these features effectively and touch on common issues with the steering wheel controls. On the left side of the steering wheel, you'll find controls for audio and phone functions. Use the volume up-down buttons to adjust the sound. The source button toggles between radio, CD, USB, and aux inputs. The call button accepts or rejects calls when your phone is paired via Bluetooth. Holding volume buttons may activate mute. The right side of the steering wheel is dedicated to cruise control. Press the on-off button to activate the system. Use the set button to engage cruise control at your current speed. The plus match buttons adjust the set speed incrementally. The cancel button deactivates cruise control, while resume returns to your previously set speed. The menu controls interface with the infotainment system, such as Bolero or Amundsen. Press the menu button to cycle through main categories like audio, phone, and navigation. Use the rotary knob on the center console to navigate within each menu. Holding buttons may activate secondary functions. Some Fabia 3 owners experience button wear, particularly with audio controls after extensive use. Faulty wiring harnesses can also lead to malfunctions in steering wheel controls. Begin by gently cleaning the buttons with a soft cloth and mild soap solution. Ensure the area is dry before testing. If issues continue, inspect wiring harnesses for secure connections. Faulty harnesses often cause intermittent control failures. For persistent problems, consider professional service. Replacing the airbag module or updating firmware at an independent garage can resolve deeper issues. Community forums provide additional troubleshooting tips from experienced owners. Always verify that all connections are secure before seeking further assistance. The infotainment system allows some button reprogramming, especially for audio profiles. This feature appeals to enthusiasts but requires familiarity with the system's firmware. Users can reprogram buttons via the infotainment settings menu for custom audio profiles. Community-driven apps like Torque Pro can interface with the Fabia's OBD2 system, allowing for custom shortcuts via smartphone integration. Official support from Skoda has ended, but online resources and community forums provide digital manuals and troubleshooting guides. DIY upgrades like adding wireless charging or voice modules are popular. Consider aftermarket EV conversions, where original controls might be repurposed. The future of automotive controls is moving away from physical buttons toward more intuitive technologies. Trends include haptic feedback for tactile responses and advanced voice control systems. Steering wheel buttons may become obsolete in favor of gesture recognition and augmented reality head-up displays. For the Fabia 3, remanufacturing options are available to adapt controls for hybrid systems. Newer Skoda models already feature advanced gesture controls, setting a precedent for the industry.